saying, loud and clear, this was only fooling time. I'll never know